The fruits of language. Understanding, bear fruit. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where language learning is made easy and fun. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a common English phrase that you might have heard or read in various contexts. Bear fruit. This phrase carries more meaning than you might expect, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it like a native speaker. So, let's get into it and find out when and how to use bear fruit effectively in English conversation. First things first, let's look at the literal meaning of bear fruit. This phrase originates from the natural world, where fruit-bearing refers to the process of a tree or plant producing fruit. It's the moment when all the nurturing, the sunlight, the water, and the care given to the plant finally result in a ripe, tangible reward. That's exactly what fruit-bearing trees do. They produce fruit after a period of growth. Now, how do we apply this to language? In English, to bear fruit is often used figuratively. When we say that an effort or an action is bearing fruit, we mean that it's producing the desired results or benefits. Just like a tree that's finally offering up its harvest after a season of growth. For instance, if you've been studying English diligently, and you find that you're able to understand and speak the language better, you could say, "My hard work is finally bearing fruit," meaning your efforts are showing positive outcomes. Let's see some more examples to clarify the usage. After years of research, the scientists' work bore fruit when they made a significant discovery. The government's new policies have begun to bear fruit as the economy shows signs of improvement. Notice how in both examples, the phrase, bore fruit, signifies that patience and effort have led to successful results. Even though bear fruit might seem straightforward, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Remember, this phrase is typically used to refer to success or positive results after a period of effort. It's not used for immediate results or for outcomes that don't require a long-term investment. Saying, "I studied for an hour and it bore fruit," wouldn't be quite right because bearing fruit implies a longer, sustained effort. And there we have it. I hope this video has helped to clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, bear fruit, for you. Remember, learning a language is a process, and with continued effort, it will certainly bear fruit in time. Keep practicing. Be patient with your progress, and you'll reap the rewards of your hard work. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, goodbye and keep nurturing your language skills. They will surely bear fruit.